So this one's for those days where you're feeling a little latte, but your wallet is not. Super easy, no barista skills needed. Grab whatever matcha powder you have. I use about 1 to 2 teaspoons, but honestly you can just eyeball it because who has time to find a measuring spoon? Add a little warm water to your bowl and whisk until it turns into a smooth consistency and there is no powder floating around. Then splash in a little bit of milk and mix again. Grab any cup, pour more milk, add ice, your matcha mix, sweeten it however you like.